Do you ever seek solitude to get away from your daily routines? In this video, I show you 3 steps I take to clear the clutter and noise surrounding me, to listen to my inner guide. Hi, I'm Alison Laverty, and you are in the right place if you're looking for some inspiration and wisdom to live your purpose. When I was 14 years old, I asked myself this question: what if my life was a lie? That everything I was taught as a child moved me away from the person I was meant to be. We live in a 2-dimensional world, the external world where society rules and we compete and conform with all the noise around us. What shapes the perception of the world around us begins within our environment. These are the systems that condition us. But only in our inner world do we find clarity to discover our true nature. These 3 steps led me away from society's norm so I could tune into a frequency within me to reconnect to my inner guide. To lose myself in nature is to reconnect with me. As I reflect on all I have done and all I want to do, I am aware of the natural world around me. And because I am aware of my surroundings, I detach myself from every outcome. But truly, when you connect to nature, you will realize you were never alone. When your mind is quiet, the answers you seek appear naturally from within. So there you go, my 3 steps for finding focus and clarity. We all know this, but often the struggle is fear of facing ourselves. If you feel this video will help someone, please share it. Do you want to see more videos like this? Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click on the red subscribe button and bell icon so you will know when I upload a new video. All right. I thought you could swing it. You better stop then. Did you stop it?
No, but it's quite nice though.
Okay.